instead of just the 16 default ones, because you can actually get hex codes and then you can get over, what, 16 million colors, I think it is. So on loading the script, we're going to basically make a list of all of the hexadecimal digits, and then there's a command I'm about to do, it's called /viewColors, and it will basically just send us all of the color codes and the color that they're causing it, and a little square so we have a nicer view of them. So if I've made my GUI nice and big for this so you can see easily. There we are, so we've got 0 to F, and so 0 is black, 1 is blue, etc. But 16, if you've got a big server or lots of things on your server, that's not always enough, right? So how can you fix this and use hex codes instead? So it's fairly easy. Basically what you'll do, I'm just going to write it here for now. You would write, and then you would have a angled brackets, and then 2 hashes, and then the hex code. And then you'd close the angled bracket. And then you'd have the message here. And basically these first 2 digits would be the R value, the red value, then blue and green, etc. And you can just type that before every message, but what I think is a nicer, sort of more elegant way to do that is just have, say, a variable. This could be player color or admin color or whatever, and you'll have this just a string of the angled brackets. And then at the moment I just have, when players chat, it will send just that message in that color, right? Okay, so I'm back after a couple minutes of scripting, and I've added this command where you can actually set your own hex code, and then when you send a message it will be that color at the start, right? And just to check, you can see all that. So don't worry too much about that, but this is just sort of an example of it. Okay, so basically if I do /chat hex code and then any number, this will be quite a dark one. Yeah, so mainly RGB, makes sense for it to be more blue. Obviously if this is not a hex code, right, and we put in like a H, then it's just not going to work and it's going to be a string, yeah. So you could add your own checks for that, but I'm not doing that in this video. If you want like a green color, oh, hi 28, there, then we got sort of like very light green if we want a higher green or whatever. Oh gosh, I have an interview for another video. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to find your own hex codes from any color, because every possible color that can be displayed on a normal screen is possible with this. So hopefully this was helpful in some capacity. Enjoy, and yeah, thanks for watching.